मेरा पापा देश चलाता है।
Hello everyone, Sahil Sharma here, back with a new video on composting at your homes. So, this clip you have watched somewhere on YouTube. Also, you can find it. Mera Baba Desh Chalata Hai. In this, a child, every child, every student is asked in the school to bring something written about a paragraph written about the fathers. What do the fathers do? So a child comes and brings about his father. He tells the class that his father is neither a doctor nor an engineer who works for his country, who helps the country to develop. His father is neither a policeman and neither nor an army. His father is a manhole sweeper. Because of us, that man, a manhole sweeper, that child's father, has to swim into the manhole's waste, swim into the dirtiest place of the town and segregate our waste so that the pipes, the water pipes and the dump pipes may not get blocked due to our waste. So let's help those people. Let's compost at our homes. Let's separate our dry waste and kitchen waste and use our kitchen waste, wet waste, into something useful for your gardens, like composting. First of all, you take a bucket like this and make some holes inside the bucket, because this is aerobic composting. Aerobic means in the presence of air. So if this compost will go better if you will make some holes in the sides of it, and also for the drainage of the wastewater under it. So make some holes under the bucket also. Then place some newspaper or some cardboard piece on the holes so that the compost itself doesn't move out. Now let's start. Here it is. I've got some cocoa peat and mixture of soil. So let's sprinkle it first. Now I had made one layer of soil in the bucket, and now we shall start composting. Let's begin with the kitchen waste. This is wet waste of kitchen. All the peels of lemon and potatoes. Also some, what is this? This is chai patti. Some more waste. This is banana peel. I'd saved it from last 4 days. It is getting, it's smelling very bad. If you want to avoid the smell, then use dry leaves. Put some dry leaves also in your compost, because whenever there is a complaint, there are many complaints of compost that there is so much of smell. That smell is produced by the waste when it gets soggy. So don't let the waste get soggy. Put some dry leaves with the wet waste, and also some, this is bhusa or husk we can call it. This we have put, and some more wet waste of kitchen. Yeah. And now there's some chai patti. Okay. That is done. Take some more leaves. Put some more leaves here. And now at last, spread this layer of soil here. One more layer of soil will go better, and your compost will work more efficiently. Now all the waste you have put. Some things I want to make clear to you. Before composting, put a tray under your bucket so that the liquid which escapes from the holes under your bucket doesn't flow away. That liquid will act as a beautiful fertilizer for your garden, for your pots. Whenever you put your kitchen waste into the bucket, always remember to water a little. Okay, to water a little so that the temperature conditions inside the bucket must be maintained, and it must be favorable for the decomposers to decompose the waste. Separating your wet waste, the dry waste, then another layer of wet waste will help to prevent smell, because that smell arises from wet waste only when it gets soggy. So always remember to put a layer of dead leaves or dry waste over a layer of wet waste. Also, don't forget to cover your bucket with a lid or something so that the heat which generates inside do not moves out. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all, and do subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon for any new update of our new video. Thank you.